Okay, here we have the box for the Orient Kamasu III. It's in a good condition, apart from this small dent here. Comes with a watch cloth and the spare links. This is the watch. As you can see, it's in a very good condition. No scratches on the crystal or on the case. Just maybe a couple of hairline marks on the clasp, as it's been worn a couple of times in the office, but nothing that can't really be polished out. It has 4 levels of micro adjustment on the clasp, currently sized to fit a 6.5 inch wrist, but the links can easily be put back on. I can put them back on for you, or I can just leave them there for you to resize as needed, which is probably what makes more sense. It's a beautiful piece. No visible scratches or marks. The bezel action is pretty good. It's a unidirectional bezel, so you can't turn it the other way. Beautiful watch. Thanks for watching.